Melanomas are one of the most deadliest and common skin cancers we see in dermatology. So get to know your skin and what is normal for you and what you should look out for. One of the ways we do this is by looking at the ABCDE rule for melanomas, and you can do this at home. A for asymmetry, when one half of the mole doesn't match the other half. B for borders, are any of the mole edges blurred or ragged? C for color, when color changes or when there are more than two colors in a mole. D for diameter, greater than 6 millimeters, but to be honest, you can get larger and smaller moles that might be atypical or represent melanomas. E, and this is crucial, evolving or evolution. Any moles that are changing or evolving over time, make sure you get it reviewed or looked at. We always recommend checking your skin regularly, at least every month. If you have a mobile device or an iPad, take regular pictures and compare them. And if you notice any moles or lesions that are changing, make sure you raise your concerns with your GP or dermatologist. So now you know the ABCDE rule. Make sure you check your moles regularly. Don't forget your back. Get someone to have a look at it. Take photographs with your mobile device or iPads, and you can compare photos every month or so. If you notice any lesions or skin moles that are changing, please make sure you raise your concerns to your GP or dermatologist.